Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and I thought I was done with Seiko. And you know, I've tried and tried my absolute best. You've seen my videos on Seiko. I tried my absolute best to be a Seiko fanboy, and I just found myself selling off every single Seiko that I ended up getting. It just never really stuck with me. I found their designs to be kind of neutral and nothing that really shook me up, nothing that really grabbed my attention and made me want to keep it. And I've had everything under the sun, from the Seiko Brian May to Seiko Turtles, and they seem like they're just this cookie cutter design that I never really understood. Now, if you see Winston in the background there, that was until I found this watch. This is the Seiko Disco Chariot. Now, it's stylish, it's funky, it's unique, it's in your face. It's definitely something that I think a lot of people would be partying with, and if you saw this guy at the club, he's got the best stuff, I can promise you that much. But it's like nothing I've ever seen before. It's slim and sleek design, only measures in at 3 millimeters. That's absolutely nothing. Well, its bezel is 33 millimeters. It's kind of got this beautiful, I don't know if you want to call this a bezel. It's got this beautiful riveted bezel that catches light. While its chromed out and polished edges bounce off those reflectors. It is an absolutely beautiful piece. Everything about this watch is gorgeous. The rim around, I guess that would be the bezel as well. The rim around the glass is this gold color, while the Seiko logo itself is gold. You got this integrated bracelet, almost like chainmail bracelet, that's an absolute eye catcher. On the wrist, it's not too bad either. Let me show you that real quick. And I just never thought I'd find myself back in the Seiko mood. Now, this is just going to be a quick video. We're not going to talk too much about it because I don't really know the history of this watch. I don't really know much about the Seiko Chariot. But look at this on the wrist. Oh, look at this thing. It screams beauty. This thing is absolutely stunning. Look at this thing. Oh, yeah. Now, I've been on a big vintage watch kick. I don't know if you've been watching any of my videos. We have a watch that's coming out. It's coming this Tuesday. I cannot wait to show you guys. This watch is going to be like nothing. This video, I'm going to 3 different states to shoot this video. I'm going to Washington, D.C., Florida, and then I'm actually shooting over to the Bahamas. No, my bad, not the Bahamas. Is it the Bahamas? Yeah, the Bahamas to shoot a video too. So this watch is going to be, this watch is taking me everywhere, the watch that's coming in, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and